Good morning parents and dear students. Welcome to Standard 1 Craft class. How are you all students? I hope you all are fine. Now I am going to show you a picture. Yes, this is a picture of a tricolor balloons. Tricolor balloons are much in demand for a special occasion to decorate the table and make it lively. These balloons are suitable for Independence Day celebration or Republic Day celebration or any other special events. Tricolor balloons are printed with the tricolor Indian flag. You can send these tricolor balloons to your dear ones and celebrate freedom on Republic Day or Independence Day. So students, come, let's learn how to make these tricolor balloons. Now let us see what are the materials required for making tricolor balloons. Blue color chart paper for its base, white color paper, green color paper, orange color paper, string, Fevicol, scissor and black sketch pen. So now students, let's start making these tricolor balloons. First, I am going to cut the balloons. You can see this is the balloon I have cut. Now we are going to cut all the color balloons.
Really?
Now we will start sticking the balloons. So students, you can see this way I am going to stick all the balloons. So students, you can see this way I have stick all the balloons. Now I am going to take this string and stick in the balloons. So this is the string which I am going to stick in the balloons. This way I am going to stick. Like this, one string I am going to stick in each balloon. So this is the way how I have stick all the strings in this tricolor balloons. Now I am going to stick this. And now I am going to write Happy Republic Day in this. H A double P Y, Happy Republic. R E P U B L I C, Day, D A Y. So students, our tricolor balloon is ready. I hope you will enjoy making these tricolor balloons. So students, this is the tricolor balloons which you have learned how to make. Let's see the recap of these tricolor balloons how I have made. Parents, please help your child in making these tricolor balloons. And please subscribe to our school YouTube channel for the videos. Thank you.